Hey guys, so welcome back to our final day of our plants. So what we are going to do is we are going to finish off plants by having a little bit of a final assessment. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper. It could be in your notebook. It could just be a blank piece of paper, whatever your heart's desires, and a camera if you have one available. Okay, use your cell phone, a tablet, whatever's easiest, and we're going to get started. Parents, this is an assessment, so please do not help your student label. You can help them take the pictures. You can help them get their paper ready. You can help them upload it, but please do not help them with the answers. You can help them follow the directions by telling them what they need to draw or doing this, but please don't tell them the habitat. Please don't tell them what the parts of the plant are, or photosynthesis, or any of that kinds of stuff. We want to see what they know from what we've done the last month and a half. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your phone, your camera, your tablet, whatever you can, and you're going to go find a plant or a flower outside. Okay, it doesn't need to be a bloomed flower. If you have one, that's great. If you have a tree, fine. If you only have a plant that's like a weed, fine. Okay. If you don't have anything at all, no worries, and just skip this step. Okay. If you do, fantastic. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of that flower, plant, tree, whichever you found in your yard, and you're going to upload it to your teacher. Okay. There's going to be a separate Dropbox that has a spot for you to upload your picture that you took of your flower or your plant or your tree. Okay. If you do not have a plant, flower, tree, whatever to take a picture of, then just skip this step. It is not a worry. Okay. But we just want you to get outside and you look for something in your environment that is actually around you. Okay. So what you're going to do now is, if you've already taken your picture, okay, and you've uploaded it to your teacher, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to draw a picture of the flower or the plant. So when I say draw a picture, is you're going to take the paper that you took out, the nice piece of paper, and you're going to draw a picture of that plant in the middle of the paper. Okay, don't make it too big, don't make it too small, but in the middle of your paper, okay, use that picture, copy it, draw a picture of it. If you did not have a picture, okay, then just pick a flower or a plant that is easy for you to draw and that you know would be in your environment. Okay, so take your time on this, guys. This is not a rush thing. You're gonna have 2 days to do this. Okay, so you're gonna color it nicely. Am I gonna color the stem of a flower purple? No. Okay, it's gotta be realistic. Okay, realistic means it's exactly what it would look like outside. All right, so now you've taken your picture, you've uploaded it, you've drawn a picture of that flower or plant, or you've just drawn a picture of a flower or plant, okay, in your page. And that's the only thing you've done so far. Now what you're going to do around your plant, you are going to draw its habitat on your paper. Okay, is your plant live in the Arctic, the woodland forest, the desert, the ocean, or the rainforest? Okay, you're going to pick one of those. Parents, please do not tell your student which one it is. Okay, so you're going to draw that environment around it. Okay, is it really dry? Does it still have clouds? Does it have grass? Does it have trees around it? Does it have water? Does it have rain a lot? Okay, is it cold? Is it a climate like ours? Okay, so you need to be drawing that around your plant. We need to be realistic about what it looks like. Okay, please do not draw purple ice. Okay, please do not draw green ocean. Okay, be realistic about your pictures. Okay, take your time. Okay, parents, please don't tell them, but you can direct them on what they need to do if they're a little confused. Okay, so now you've taken a picture of your plant, okay, or flower, or you skip that step. Okay, you've drawn a picture of it, and now you've drawn the habitat around it. So now what you're going to do is we are going to label that picture. Okay, So when I say label it, is we are going to label these parts. Okay, you're going to use arrows and you're going to label the parts of the plant. Okay, what parts are there of the plant? Okay, think about what a plant has. It's 4 parts. So you're going to label those 4 parts that we talked about. If you need help, you can go back and use your resources from what we've been completing. Okay, but try to do this on your own without without help from your parent, okay, without your resources. But if you need it, use it. Okay, how does your plant get food? Label how that process goes. Okay, we've done that. We've talked about that. So you're going to label that as well using arrows. Okay, and your basic needs of your plant. So you're going to label where they get those from. Okay, it's all about arrows and labeling. Make sure you have it in your picture. Okay, make sure we can see it. If you're a little confused by this, feel free to reach out, but you're just labeling what we've been talking about on your picture that you've drawn of your flower or your plant with your habitat already. Okay, so you're just labeling those. So now what you're going to do is you've labeled your picture, you've drawn it, you put your habitat, you're now going to color it and finish coloring it. Make sure it looks good, make sure you're taking your time, and use realistic colors. Okay, using realistic colors, you're going to finish coloring it. So now you're going to upload this to your teacher. You take a picture, you're going to upload it. You have today and tomorrow to do this. Okay, so if you don't finish it today, if you only want to do half of it today, fine. Okay, but today and tomorrow you are going to need to do this. Okay, you'll have 2 days, 2 all-day days to complete it. Okay, if you guys are a little confused, feel free to reach out to your teachers. Parents, please try to help them as little as you can. We just want to see what they know since we're not in school to complete an assessment. And so we can go from there. Make sure you're using your best handwriting, okay? Make sure you're taking your time, guys. We've talked about all these different pieces, so it's important to make sure that it all goes together in a nice, beautiful picture. Okay, remember, if you don't have anything to take the picture of, it's fine. Just start by drawing a flower. Okay, you guys are doing a fantastic job. Keep up all that hard work, and we'll see you tomorrow.